Good evening to all. I am explaining the production of ethylene from ethanol. Ethanol goes to evaporation, fuel mixing, heating 400 degrees Celsius goes to dehydration. Catalyst to chemical is adding LH to O3 H3O PO4. Dehydration goes to cooling. Remove the to water based treatment. Cooling product goes to purify. Remove the to water based treatment goes to drying. Remove the water goes to dry product evaporation goes to stripping. In other hand